Hey, I'm from Malaysia. Today I want to make a video about how I cleaned a drain in front of my house using a remote control excavator from the E brand and assisted by a dump truck from the Huina brand. If you see, the gutter in front of my house has been filled with sand. This happened because the area of my house was hit by a flash flood caused by a long heavy rain. So I'm going to use my remote control excavator to clean the drain. First of all, I want to introduce you all to my remote control excavator from the brand E, which is e561 This is my excavator. What is your opinion? This excavator looks beautiful, doesn't it? The color of my excavator is white on the cockpit and the body is yellow on the top, while the bottom is black.
Wow!
This is the remote control for this excavator. Looks great, doesn't it? Next, I want to introduce to you all my remote control dump truck from the Huina brand with the code 1332.
Wow!
This dump truck is sized with a ratio of 1:18. The color of this truck is bright yellow. This dump truck has 6 tires and this truck also has a basket to place the load on the back. This is the remote control for this truck. Seems simple, doesn't it? Right now, the excavator starts to turn on. First, this excavator has raised its arm. Then he started moving towards the project site. The excavator began to find its way to the location of the construction project. Slowly this machine moves. Finally, this excavator has found the project site. The machine began to descend into the drain slowly and carefully. This excavator has absolutely no problem getting down into this narrow passage. While on the way, this excavator found a bucket. The bucket is blocking his way. The excavator immediately lowered its arm and removed the obstacle. The bucket was easily moved. After that, the excavator resumed its journey. Finally, the excavator has reached the project location. Congratulations! Not long after the excavator arrived at the project site, the Huina dump truck started its work. This truck has moved to the project site to help the excavator move the sand in the drain. Not long after, this truck finally arrived at the project location. Then the project will begin. Now the excavator will pick up all this sand and place it in a basket on the back of the Huina dump truck. excavator has started digging the sand in the drain. The excavated sand will be lifted into the basket of Huina dump truck using an excavator shovel. This double E excavator has absolutely no problem digging this sand. Many people say that this double E excavator is weak, but actually their opinion is wrong. This excavator managed to lift wet sand perfectly. This machine has been digging and lifting wet sand until the shovel is full. The secret for you to do this is to fully master the remote control technique. If you manage to master the technique of controlling the remote control, you will definitely be able to control the movement of the excavator arm well. The digging power of this excavator depends on how you control the angle of movement of the excavator arm. The correct angle of the excavator arm will allow this excavator to dig heavy soil such as wet sand or even small rocks. While the wrong angle of the excavator arm will cause the excavator arm to dig hard and will make noise. The sound that comes out is the maximum limit warning sound so that the gear inside the excavator arm does not break. This excavator has done its job well. Soon Huina's garbage truck basket will be full of sand. Wow! Look how easy this excavator digs sand. The shovel was full of sand in a short time. Look, the basket on the back of Huina's truck is almost full. When I saw this machine working, I suddenly felt that this was a very fantastic sight. Right now the basket on the back of Huina's truck is full. Then this truck will leave to go to the dump location. This truck needs to release its load so it can pick up new sand. Right now, the Huina dump truck is heading to the sand dump site. Huina's dump truck seems to have moved quite fast. The Huina dump truck has finally arrived at the sand dump site. This truck will lift the basket on its back and release all the available cargo until it runs out.